In this video we talk about brand positioning. When we say positioning, is the position in the mind of the consumer that the brand wants to occupy, not the position on the market, let's say. And in this video we will talk everything you need to know about it, because it is quite essential to know how to build a strong brand. About position and differentiation of products, you can watch this video here to learn more, because I've created one separately for that. But in this video we talk about the positioning of brands. And as you already know from the products branding and positioning, you know that it's about the positioning in the mind of the consumers. This means how the consumers think about your brand, not the position at the shelf of your product, not the position in the market of your company, the position it occupies in the mind of the consumer. There are three possible ways that companies can use to position themselves in the mind of the consumers. That is positioning based on the benefits, based on the attributes, or based on beliefs and values. Positioning based on product attributes, it's the lowest level a brand can position on. Attributes are at least desirable level for brand positioning because they can be easily copied by competitors. For example, we look at P&G, which invented disposable diapers with Pampers brand. Early in their marketing campaign, Pampers focused on attributes such as fluid absorption, fit, and disposability. The second level for positioning is by associating the name of a brand with the desirable benefit. Successful brand positioned on benefits can be named such as Nike, which is focused on performance, Walmart for saving money, or Facebook for connections and sharing. Finally, the best way to position your brand is through beliefs and values. Brands position themselves on strong beliefs and values, engaging customers on a deep emotional level. For example, Pampers position itself as a love, sleep, and play. Of course that parents love their babies and want them to sleep and play good and nicely, right? And therefore you need to know about Lovemarks, which are the brands which successfully engage customers on a deep and emotional level. Some other companies that reach the status of Lovemarks are Apple, Disney, Nike, Coca-Cola, Google, and so on. This is everything you need to know about brand positioning. Remember that there are three ways a brand can position itself in the mind of the consumer, based on attributes, based on benefits, or based on beliefs and values. If you want to learn the following step, which is about the brand name of the company, I recommend you watch this video right here below. Before checking my channel for another video about corporate communication or marketing, I recommend you to check the links down in the description, because there is a link that will help you greatly if you are an entrepreneur, you just opened your very first company, or you want to build a business plan, or you are a manager of a company. I've designed a complete business plan that includes a communication strategy and a marketing strategy for a company that you want to open. There is a manual with step-by-step, a by-the-book, set of instructions and all the information you need to know when you want to create a marketing and a communication strategy for a new company. So I recommend you to check the links down in the description. Also find a for free terms dictionary for marketing, and both of them will be the links in the description. Remember that you can support me in the classical ways by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and please leave a comment down in the comment section down below, because it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. You can also buy me a coffee right here, or links in the description below. I drink quite a lot of coffee in creating these videos, in researching the information, filming the videos, and then posting them on YouTube so you can watch them for free. So that would be highly appreciated. Until the next video, check the links down in the description and check the other videos on my channel.